Hi friends, welcome to Morning Mist by Caris Global Mission. One of life's inevitable part are the challenges that life throws at us. There's not one person on the planet Earth who hasn't faced challenges in their life. So for today's devotion, I want to bring to you a poem that God gave to me in my most challenging times. And I hope that these words comfort you the way it comforted me. Life often throws situations that are full of challenges. With a mix of joy and sorrow is how life balances. To many it may not seem something new. Although both joy and sorrows are from God, it's true. Yet to face them in multitude, it's hard to chew. The shocker is when people who once treasured you hurt. Today they don't seem to be slowing down to falsely blurt. All that you did in favor has turned against you. With constant poison about you they spew, leaving you behind with no clarity and no clue. At times you are forced to ask, where is God amidst this? To endure all this, am I still the chosen child of His? A million questions quiz through your mind. Can't the words that they speak be a little kind? Have they got nothing good in you to find? Destroying you seems to be their intent, seeing you and all that you do to come to an end. Is it so easy for them to destroy you completely? With new accusations, new assault coming against you daily. With no slightest remorse, they continue with their tasks sleazily. I know this yoke is heavier than you can bear, and everything around you might seem so unfair. Take courage, my friend. This time too will pass away. This challenge that you face today is not here to stay. You will see its heaviness fade away if only you could pray. Be rest assured that you have a mighty God by your side. He has taken in His control the matters for which you have cried. I will never leave you nor forsake you is His absolute promise. He will embrace you in His arms when you turn to Him for solace. Any person or wall that stands against you, He will demolish. You might not see the wind nor the rain, yet He will provide. If only in His arms you would abide. Whoever have looked upon His face have never been put to shame. For you are precious unto Him, and in His hands He has inscribed your name. Be assured that from His hands no evil can have on you a claim. He promised you of His provision and protection, and He will bring about in the enemy camp a sense of confusion. Cast all your cares upon the Lord, for His is the vengeance. An account would be taken for every thought and word mentioned. All you do is to trust and rest in His presence. Learn from the Lord to bless those who curse you. Love those who threaten you of the worst. For it says to overcome evil with good. For every evil word, smile at them if you could, and let the Lord deal with them as He should. May we always remember the verse inscribed in Deuteronomy 31 verse 6. It says, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Hope these words have encouraged you today. Have a splendid day. God bless.